With my heart, you know say that be fact. Baby, I don't lie.
Rob.
My baby, my long, yeah. I the thought of some time, man. I go be with you anytime. Any day, and sunshine. I love that way you cute, baby, so cool. I love that way you bright, baby, boo boo. If you're man, I back when you do
for infinity,
yeah, my wife was everywhere, you still there. My baby, my long, yeah. Everywhere that she follow me, she know the guy.
Don't let me and you till infinity.
When you miss me,
Come on, infinity.
You know me, you get
Longevity.
Come on, you want the tranquility. Tranquility,
Infinity.
when you miss me, come on, infinity. You know me, you get longevity. Sweet, I want the tranquility.
No, we just they have fun, you know, we just they enjoy. You know, be anything, you know. Person know they care, man, they live life. You know, you know, easy for this world inside, you know. A better shatter movement militant, one rush calling. It be calling, brother. Oh yeah, make you people come, welcome. I see how. You know, normally I know Shada they do this live video thing because if I talk sometimes, thunder self, if you do you say one or two gangster for them kind of little kind of thing with them boy them I do. Me, you go fit tag me, wait I can't. You go fit tag me, sell out. You go fit tag me, stupid person. Cause yeah, we won't chop. You know be my friend. You know be my anything. You can't really vibe, eh? Captain sell out. Captain go talk. Captain go be me. Sometimes, you know, this world, there be people now where they call me wicked person. Or they call person wicked person. See these things where Shatawale they do. Shatawale, make I stand up give you. Daddy, your type no day. Daddy, your type no day. Like people like you, for this world, them catch like 3 anchor. I swear this world will be heavy. God bless you. You come, they tell me, say me, I know they make sense. I know they make me. Me, I they learn who. Where I learn, Ankasa, and I'm still learning. Thanks to who? Thanks to One Don. This thing where they come talk, I know they care what they think about me. Because real recognize real, and real people know what I'm talking about. They're real SM people. I know most of you know the way I join SM. It be some way. Because God, what he writes, he go happy. No matter who you be. And some people go there, they talk, Captain will do this way, this one no day. Sure. Me if you know be sick of shatter movement, like nobody know me. Like nobody know me. Thanks to God and Shatawale. See where I reached today. There's somebody who can't complain. It be your life. It be your life. It be my life. We are there right now. I there house. I just sit my car inside, make we enjoy. I just sip some things, you know. I'm just living cool. I use my I won't use the infinite scan live, but I won't make you people see the phone and casa because if I can live with them, you people no go see. People they come, share. Today we they come vibe. If you like comments, if I see something for reply you, I go reply you. If you negative comments, if we like, we can enjoy some music, eh? If I play Infinity, I they enjoy.
You know you win my heart. You know say that
because I only win my heart.
My baby,
my la yeah.
I the thought of some
time, man.
I go be with you
anytime. Whether rainy day or sunshine.
I love that way you cute, baby, so cool.
I love that way you bright, baby, boo boo.
Yeah, man, I back when you lulu. Yeah, my wife was everywhere, you still there. My baby, my long, yeah. Everywhere that she follow me, she know the guy.
Don't let me and you till infinity.
When you miss me,
come on, infinity. Hello? If I dey happy, my brother, why you know they happy for me? Make I send you Momo. Don't worry, I'll send you Momo. Don't worry. Don't worry. Scout face, scout bank. In through. You ever see Shatta movement guy will be broke? Never, never, never. Now, to the main issue. You see, some people who come, they do like, it's my fault. See, the militants. If I know militants ever again, I'll be solotant. Every man for himself, God for us all. We all will be solo different artists. And everybody they learn. I sure all of them, the time and they can't say, what they know. If no be Wale we come to tell you, say, hey, this is key in music, this is timing. We all within inside. They no go fit talk through self. Most of the songs where they out and things all like you know be Wale Anka. We go fit do that kind of song. But Wale they teach us. Wale they show us love. Wale they give us life again in this hard Ghana way we did. Unnecessary. I say judgment day if we go, we they take Ghana flag go, so say they go, God go no say we from hell already. Nonsense. Don't come and tell me shit. Don't come and tell me unnecessary things. Say me I go talk something. Make I start from the first people, those Blade and who so and so. All those fake things where they do for SM. We did that, we watch, but you go sit down, you go see we like pikins, you go see we like small boys, but we know what they go on. And we know they like fake things around us. I'm here for the movement. What we go fit do give Wale? Nothing. The only thing Wale they need from me be loyalty. And at least, Charlie, as we are building this thing, let's come together. Let's come together and build it. You know, being he can't beg you. My daddy they building house. Where you come, you say, oh, let's build a house. As daddy started to build a house, no. Then you say, no, I dey take this cement go. No, this house, make we do one like this. It be your house. It be your ship. It not be your anything. The guy just say, hey, listen to me. Let's do this together. We are going worldwide. As they know, listen, see where one done day today. He did at Times Square. Big. And which artist from Ghana you see that thing before? Never. All those fake things where they do, no. It be God. God make we see them. Somebody go talk, say, yeah, it be Blade take me come SM. So, why am for? I don't be sell out. Whoever say I they sell something. It be Tuesday market. If me I the market myself. It be Tuesday market. Unnecessary things all these people they do. They start all this fake life, and you see this fake life. I don't know if it is contagious. So if this one do no, then this one too go take am. If this one do no, then this one too go take am. It dey like corona. They catch everybody. They know they wash them hand under running water. Toto me sani, be me sani. What unnecessary thing be this? My guy, that be why God make you people just left there. We God they bless Wale. If what are they talk, you know they like. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn. Shatta Wale blood in my DNA. Daddy, I love you. Daddy, God bless you. Now these people go. Blessing they come. As these people go, we dey work. Wale they show we say, hey, patience. Patience is not just about waiting. This might get my power. Patience is not just about waiting. It's about the attitude you keep up while you are waiting. That is what is patience. Nobody say, one day these people they make a vex. So I swear they make a vex. But I still say one day, God, may God continue to give you that heart. See all these good things you do give me. What we go feel do? Just show you loyalty and listen. Let's do this together. Let's hold hands. As we do this thing, we can't get some misunderstanding and things, or then okay. Now one don't say, make we just have time. Make we go. Make we go think. Abi we say we want to release music, we want to do this. No problem. Make we go think. As we go, we think, we come back. Boss who himself call we. Say, what's up? As he say now, it be like you people, we make ready. So come and let's do this together. And we came back again. We the militants, so-called militants. As we come back again, people they say, no, why they know they release the music? They know they release the music because you sha. We always still the learn. Let's listen to the man. The roadway we they pass on, he passed there already because of the love he has for we. He say, come, I'll show you the shortcut. Don't pick Uber self. I want to get one day bad charge, you know. It be like I give them the storm energy sound, so they won't put the phone self. I dash and one don't thank you. The phone, you know, you plenty, but we know they take chop the slave queens. As these people we do where we come back, instead of you to be wise and smart and have patience, you put this say, yeah, why? And they know they release the music. Why they fanfu for fanfu? Me, I know they take those kind of nonsense. I know they like if I they go forward, somebody won't pull me back. Somebody won't pull me back. It's crazy. Like how? It's stupid. Why? Me too, I don't want chop. I want chop some, but I want chop I'm clean. I don't be dirty guys. From a long time I do some clean ass, but they never understand. They never understand. Where I say don't complain. Why are you complaining? Or you want me to show you my lead? By the lead. Huh? We go enjoy some music, nigga. Don't worry. Plenty vibe day. We go vibe. And on. Why? And on this one that I do for you. You know say we will chop money. And yeah. I'm on the storm, man. For me see a snitch that a weak man thing. Smiling to the bank that a big man thing. Party tonight, we not watch man thing. We not in a them thing. When them see we pan, I show them a more, yeah. Me give them a 2, 3, them a 4, yeah. Tell them scream out, oh yeah. Captain, you bad, me still want more, yeah. Kofi Abba still got the money, yo. Kofi boat, know they worry, yo. Salty, PPG, we there for the street, we know they roll easy, yeah. Come me see a snitch that a weak man thing. Smiling to the bank that a big man thing. Party tonight, we not watch man thing. Me and me cool in a them thing. When them see we pan, I show them a more, yeah. Me give them a 2, 3, them a 4, yeah. Me make the girl them scream out, oh yeah. Captain, you bad, me still want go, yeah. You see them on a shot. When me pull up in a Benz, show them on a eagle. Pull of them a ball a bed. Every street nigga, you know, still a give me respect. Bad mind them can break my defense. If I feed them money, them know we there. Like a rap me a come. Boy repent. Negativity they no say we not go there. Pull of them a stammer when they see me reflexes. Me and the pretty girl a flex and bounce. Dirty liberty, we are X them out. And the faker, we are running out. Me na fed Charity mode. Come you see a snitch that a weak man thing. Smiling to the bank that a big man thing. Go talk. A friend and I saw me. Negativity, we are X them out. We are X them out because we not know negative life. I'm a swear come home. Then, that's all these things happen. Then Japan people, what you did there? You want to do like say you are mature, so you no go talk the matter. You know be say you are mature, the thing be say your matter no dey inside. Okay, let's see. Now, as I dey record like this, if you see the EP where they come, one down big man thing, they don't know. We are just testing the waters. They don't know. God won't make all these fucking people go, so say the blessing go come plenty. Call me selfish, me not give a fuck. And if you had something to say about me, or any negative thing you have to say about me, or you have to say about me now, why didn't you say it then? Because you are fake. All the fucking shit and things you people they go talk for my back. The story is there, but man keep it in him heart because me not have time for that. I'm money me I search for. That be what I learned from Wando. The thing be patience. See why people know they release music because we know reach their head. You think say if something they come from SM, if it be whack. These are the things some people don't know. They come into SM and they're opportunists. But shit, your mother take you go London before? Which of your friends take you go London before? Which of your friends make you do music like taking over where everybody they hear you? And come and go and like you're liar, you're fake. Brother, you are fake. Lasso. They not be star, then be lasso. If you wonder how you talk, you need to have him picking, make Kirby. You know nothing about loyalty. You know nothing about loyalty. Sometimes if me I no one come they talk me because I just say I say me call bank no. I say me call bank no. I say me call Pekakra. Clean money. Even though you dey chop any money, but a clean money, one clean money in the head there, and also a chair, and it's me who or a virgin. She's very fertile. So that morning, it's me woo. Which of your friends, like you go fit sing taking over a long time, man? Which of your friends, those you, then you people go they tell somebody from America, what, say what, the person they America, like the person be real gangster. All these people, they don't go America. Bone, Blade, everywhere they run. Bob Skinny self, you don't go America. You know why? Because they are not man enough to make it here. They don't get the heart. You people go there, they go, they wash dishes and things. Me, that no be the kind of last time I want to leave. You people go there, then go share that, born with somebody, so say they will give you papers. So, Mube di trainers muhumba. Spems no boy ba, insu. If you be gangster, stay Ghana. If you be gangster, stay Ghana, make am. But I think say one day travel before you make am. It's because of your enviness. Catch on. One shout. A pedal star. One shout. One produce good sound. Good music. What are you talking about? As if we... Allah God. God, you create some people. But thank you. They make us stronger. They make us stronger. Which of the artists for Ghana go feel say, hey, my picking come? You see this song, take him like this. He go even right give you. So see the world. So see the world go know say, oh, my son is good. You are yourself what you know. You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing. One don't teach we come know. John Servi, unim then. 13 years. You never feel learn anything. Naturally, there you grow, you did there. You don't know what to do, you just did there. Waka. You people no go fit show me anything. And you people go fit go, they tell who, what be name, always or what. Always, see what you know. You can't tell me, say, you know, hear the song way, I know hear the song way. He hear the baby, ke onye, too flamey. If Blade them and this thing, they tell you things, they tell you things for the. Any shit way they do, they talk. They to them do some. For a long time you no go talk. If it today you go talk. If it today you go talk. And then we are fake pound. I feel pity for you. Where bread, where bread. You think say one done the vex we the militants. Then you people go they put for your heart inside. One done there. Hey Cappy, you know see. You be like one done. You know what make we release the song. You go record the song. You go leave on for there. Then me too I did there. These people I deserve until they started watch me somewhere since this Forza TV people do some show. They go perform, they say me to make a cam. And they say no. As them go, you don't see the yawa them go do for them. You don't see the yawa them go do for them. Like the DJ no save you people put thunder fire. Hey. And here is you. Shatta Sabali. And while we king, make we ease up. But see, sometimes if we stay mute, our empire, what are we trying to show the world? What dance I had before you dance abroad? If you can't be real in a camp like this, then if you go out and kwasa Samson now here. Jimmy Sam, I'm on him shame, so that be what they pay me. People they release songs, see where they, you know they anywhere. Why? Because sometimes, even at least if you want to go or something, sometimes if the king self no bless you, with the blessing self, you no go get. Yeah, they advise you people, it's high time you people wise up. I swear it's high time, because if it be music self, you people, you no go fit me. You know be me, they show you people some one or two settings, where if I show you self where you go play, give one down, you no go fit even tell one down, say, oh, Captain self, he helped me with this one, but, then one don't go see say me to they try, but they keep quiet every day. I know they talk. I they say do your thing. Cause John 77 front page, you know be me. God. I be with you. I just say one bad way you go do that. You know my there. Appreciation. But me I know they need them. I need blessings from God and one don. Because one don is the realest. Like you know while you go feed do future picture make it make nice. Like they take sword, put your truth inside. Baby son. I they talk my mind because I've grown to a certain point where I know they give a fuck. Like I know they care anymore. The only thing I care about is this our Shatta movement and one door. Because it will be too late to cry when the head is gone. We are leaving this legacy. One done, one son. Me be that. Me be that. All of you people, you just come. God, they show we. Because they come meet people. You know, yesterday, Jay-Z said they call me, but my phone did not busy. They say, make it relax, make it ease. And my car. Upa GD, Upa engine D. You ever see? And the thing be say, you people, you don't know me. From Blade to whatever and whatever. And to Adi, Natalie, Joint, and Bone, Stone, Good Over Evil, Pope Skinny. All of them, they don't know me. Lebanese Mafia. I craze. Me, I don't get this kind PhD, pull him down kind lifestyle like you people get. Somebody like Pope Skinny. We be brothers, we dey camp inside. Then you dey camp travel. But because of your black mentality, you know, you no go tell anybody. They go see, you know, then you dey America because you think say if you tell somebody go pull you down. Hey, that means you dey think evil about us. I started reading people, I see say you people are fake. Then somebody go come my there. Bone go come my there, can't tell me, me, I go leave SM. Who call you for SM? You think say we need you for SM? If be in, you go, no. That day, you know, be cry, you they cry. Then people are watching too, so say they will go and talk. Me, self, I won't make you go talk. You see my name? Head there. Captain, Bonaminti. One done, one son. I mean that. And another daughter. We have our daughter. Can you big up to you? You see? Like, as the ESF say, at the end, Natty them and join the ESF, one done they come sign Kanye, they pain them because they know one brother man go high. One brother man go high. Are you crazy? Why are you so evil? Then people come and say one done is evil. You don't know evil. But you don't know, it takes one to know one. We are evil in here. Now you go physically say, this one they do like this. I talk my mind. How many times I come live? I know they come live just like that. Yeah, I did like the father. I dream a day. It not be my head where they pay me. It not be my head. Injemo. My head inside, my brain, it do me some way. So me, I craze. One done. Respect to you. As you say you are watching. Thank you. May God bless you for everything you have done for me and those fakers and those stupid people. I know say God go punish them. You see, Karma no they left anybody. Karma no they left. See, my song, me and Wando, Kimberly. You know where he did? If you not be Wando, they know you for Jamaica. Like Google self no know you. Like if we dey search you and we for type fakeness, your picture go come. If I type fakeness, you go see how the self in picture go come. If I type stupidity, you go see Natalie in picture go come. If I type Kwasi Asem, you go see Blade in picture go come. If I type negativity, you go see Bone in picture go come. Jimmy son, you think say me are the fear people or one or two? You people go feel go tell people, go tell them. Ni na afraid da na them. Me never afraid of 1,000 of them. How me could I be afraid of one of them? Then people they had to go can they speak some patois. If you know be Wale Anka, 4 likes you they get for Facebook. So then you go make always they come, they talk, say, they know you, the time you dey mama be, they lie. And done. Karma is a bitch, thank you. They know you the time they know you, why they don't make you record taking over? Go tell Blade, say me, I no beg him, make he come sign me. I no beg him, make he come sign me. I dey my one corner for my ghetto, you know say me I be street boy, he dey fear me himself. He come, he just say he won't sign me. And he came with the intention that, oh, he go take me, go Wale in there, make I no worry. Not knowing, he lied to me, he and Wale get problem. Assam say I beg him. Assam say me, I beg him before he can't sign me. He no say he dey lie. Me, I know the way to make my mother build a house, make I go to stay inside. You know where I dey? Me not like to brag. Plenty hideouts with day, apartments, houses, estate self. I won't build. I start. Just say right now the party, so the cement now. I'm just joking. Godfather, big up on himself, you know. Yes, one don is so smart that he will make the whole world make you people say this person be fake. See, I be the party day. You see, say while they comment on your picture and things, yeah. Because one door his heart is clean. But if you come with dirty levity, God will punish you. We have a whole lot of godfathers. Big up Abbas Giwa, Serki, respect, okay? Serki, Shatta movement, we love you. But your pickings, they joke. Your pickings, they play. Wonder, thank you. Just remind me. As them they claim talk. Me, we go fit do one without SM. We, every morning, you people, they text Wally. I'm sorry. You people come, they beg. Why you go beg? Tell your people say you they beg. I mean, you say you go feed. Tell the people, say you go fit. You go fit. What is that? Also, what born from me live video news. What is? I'm not saying one door, Kwashia. One done. Sometimes you people do the disgrace with you. Asha, you ever come live self get 1.3k? No be 200 people they watch you. Those people self will be ghost pages. This whiskey you go fit. You know how much. You see what they talk. You want a picture. Believe. Unnecessary. Then people they come they beg. Then people they see me like me. I know be sell out how. I don't know what they sell. If they sell me too, but even if I be sell out, you no go fee buy me. I'm too expensive. Hey, original son of the one done. Hey, me boy ding. Oh, me boy ding. I'm telling you, I'm not joking about it. I'm not joking about it at all. Me boy ding. I'm expensive. I lock my car. See my car. I dey inside. I dey chill. I get fuel, so I dey on my AC. Why? I know they learn from Wale. I dey learn from him. All everything. Nobody is perfect, but me, I dey learn the positive and the negative all. Because you people put him in the debt too much, and me, I'm not ready for you people to put me in that kind of debt. I have to be smart, and he's my father. He will not make a pass the wrong way. Why? Like I go dey in body. If people say I go talk something, cause like I go tell Wale say you pray, like Wale go vex. Like I tell Wale say oh you pray, or you go give the mosque 50 cedis, like you go vex. Come talk what you do. Negative vibe. Then people go they call me. You sure say one don't know the fanfooey. All those talks I take them. Where they read you people, I they enter you people see but true you people self my matter self you know they like. You just want use me get what you want. I teach you people how to record yourself, so people go buy studio equipment. You know be that thing. You know be that there why? There. Or if you like just stick to your Sakawa. Stick to your Sakawa. We do Sakawa every time for streets. Every time. You say you be scammer, but I scam you. You're not scammer away there, what bomb. Scammer away, what bomb. If you think I'm talking out of jealousy or something, it's a lie. What then get where I go jealous them? What then get? They don't get nothing. See my watch. You say no time. My watch say no time. My watch say no time. Attack. I spit. I'm your own card.
Coffee about money, no be your money.
Self-made money.
This life we dey see the road, oh.
Long journey. So why you go fit talk, say you tired? Huh? As boys they work and boys they hammer. Baby mother they call for the money. We are the hope say one day we go make a move. So I say time no day. Before you go make a before sweat, brother. Time no day. Before you go make a before sweat. By you van, how you go fit talk say you tired? As boys they work and boys they hammer. I play a thing them I play one done. I play a thing them I play. They know what be scam. When I dream about, I wonder what be the amount again. The amount be what? And $69 billion. $69 billion. Right now we do top, we get 68.5. The 5 no. If we play some 1 or 2 shows now, we will get out. You know be anything. We did scam them. They say who watches the watchman? Who scams the scammer? Always, see today the day my comment inside the comment shit. But you can't the message me, they tell me, you know say we be brothers. I know be your brother. Oh. My mother no born you. Or my father no fuck your mother. I mean say it. You did there, you think say if you be man, come Ghana also. You did it. We are the plug. I want to do the socket. Ghana, Gaza. This is the $9 billion. Don't ridiculous.
Your thing frivolous.
No man yet a coulda come and
Cripple us.
show this binoculars. We see them Babylon.
Chat them a chat that we used to be vernaculars. Right from Jakarta, straight to Ayata. Super scary we.
I say if you no be enemy of progress, you people stop the come here, day life. And I get plenty of phones, you know. Infinix, those things. Don't worry. But me not brag. I'm too smart for that. I'm too smart. If you no be enemy of progress, Anka, you ambassador they come see Wale self, you join service, you make the ambassador go because you know be smart. You know no streets. Then you people go come they ask me say why you people go come they ask me say me why are they talk why because as you say you people be fake. You make ambassador come like you don't know if the ambassador self they can't give us the 69 or maybe you go give us 70 self. 70 self. You people are fake. You people don't know music too. We want on the try. 27 what you know? 13 years once you are free. You go, you get some. Hey, one don has been even too kind to you people. You people have been. You people. Then they go put you for front. So as you day one door in front car seat, they see your body like. That no be streets. That no be streets. Watch and go and tell them. Go and tell Adi and go and tell those people and those people. And Natalie and John 77 and tell Blade I say me. I know beggar make he can't sign me. He be talent you watch. Will God call me? God say, hey, Captain, I'm going to put you on this road. Just learn for me and go. Now see where I did. Them more than go I did. Why? Because me too clean. I'm too clean. Excuse me. I'm too clean. They are fake. Them bone. You know the shit where then they tell me. The shit where they what I talk self, it be small. It be small. That be why you people know they make them. You know, say you people go American or coronavirus camp. You people make the whole world get sick. Oh, God will never forgive you people. You people go now, you go give America coronavirus. Now lockdown, go work here. You go babysit the old man. You go shit for him pampers. You go clean him, man. So you go leave. The mother build house you did inside. They there. You say you no go also. Hey, as boys they work and boys they hammer. And out here. I see you, 70 by 100. My site where you did there, like I get and myself, you go tell them. Real estate, like you people know what we dey build. then artists will go some sites, we go take picture. Hey artists, I never know say you 10 Langard oh. I never know say you 10 Langard oh. Wallahi, I never know say you 10 Langard. Langard for. Wallahi, Langard for. Kwa siasema kwa. Wallahi. Unnecessary things. We just did. God will never forgive you people. One day, may God give you the heart. May God. Kwashia. You always me. I no block you because I want to make you see my success. At least 10 Langard, people go to take picture for site. They say at this villa. You see at this villa. Hey, at this nonsense. We will just there with the learn. See the music we they do. One don't teach you a whole lot of things. But you people were fucking ungrateful. You people are ungrateful. I shock give you people. Because it shocked me. With the thing where they born me say you people are pussies. You know go free come talk the things. You people are telling people. Oh. You think that those people are they fear them? Like always like this, or Blade, or Bone, or Pope Skinny. Cause siasema kwa. I come, I talk. I can play my song before. I can. And then I don't play one of my favorite songs, okay? I don't play Make people enjoy, okay?
It's back. We never afraid of 1,000 of them.
So how me could I be afraid of one of them? Them family and friend upon me list. Me not skin teeth to any of them. Me no need no backup to go up in a them ends. Straight me a move, me not coming on no banks. C550, S-Class, big Benz. Me make a C4, come in existence. Big Glock, big range. Me not play loose balls, still a stand firm. Me not fall, Jericho wall. Them a go turn Humpty Dumpty in a my war. You woulda never wanna hear this. Woo! That a the sound of the siren. The ambulance a come boy. That a the sound of the siren. The ambulance a come boy. Yeah. That a the sound of the siren, ambulance a come boy. That a the sound of the siren, ambulance a come boy. Yeah, me no need no bagger man to make me feel bad. The crew them a go back up when them see Captain. Original son of the Ghanaian one done. None of them a brax, them a gunman. On the front line. Then I go fuck up if them no walk one in a me mind. They only friend me and me gun by me side. I kill her, we tell them we not too spy. Copy can be stay forever. I know for your life. So my nigga don't be begging, come my bullet never lie. Pussy them out. Yes, I did learn from Shatta Wale. I know they live like you people your fake lives. You people are fake. You people are fake. Yeah, you people are going to be talking shit about Wale. The more you people they talk shit about him, God they bless him. Oh, you know they shock you. You know they shock you, say, ah, God, you still they bless him. While I'm thinking it's evil because you are thinking wrong. You are thinking wrong. Yeah, sometimes I they feel for wonder. See all these people, see Ghana, or then they are top. Sako they are too good to do these foolish things and nobody go fit tell them. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, oh my God. And you see I'm growing thick, eh? Yes. Yes, I know they make some unnecessary things they bother me. Like how to pull a brother down. Scared of what? Scared of who? Oh, Sweet Bella T, my personal person. Scared of who? I'm not afraid of them. I'm not afraid of 1,000 of them. How many could I be afraid of just one of them? Or 3 of them? Or 4 of them? Or 5 of them? All of them, put them together, make them calm. But at the time we get some misunderstanding. These boys come attack you. They beat you like you know be me and Kaya pie with him. You say you're a gangster. You say you're a gangster. No, you're not a gangster. Pussy. Banku. Me, I know be Banku. I be Fufu. You see the way Fufu they or Kukunte or Lagba. Hey. Thank you. Wando. May God bless you. May God bless you. Make you people go watch the Delay interview. Delay. Ofan about Kote. Delay. Ofan about Kote. I for Pickstone. Oh, my house with house. I for Pickstone. I know they do. Delay about Kote. Delay talk say you go be the first to sell out. And it's true. Adi, you sell out. Nati, you sell out. Join to Bemi Insani. Oh no. Hey, Delay be magician. But make you people go watch that interview. You know, they say the interview, I just sit down with I chop cool for them. I just chop cool, like make they talk. What did they talk? See, if they ask you questions, then you people they deviate. You people don't even know how to construct good tenses. If me, I don't want to speak the English. Me, I be white guy. Oh. My mind, it be white mind, no be black man mind. Just put some tenses right. Let me come to this. Why? One don't make we relax way, they release or something. Because me, I know they even exclude myself. We go do yawa. And I learned from that. We are going for interviews and things. Where we go that fucking guy Pop Skinny interview with unnecessary things Pop Skinny they ask and some things and I self in freestyle work, join 77 in freestyle work, me self that they are no force. We wonder and say, no, my boys, you people can do better. Sit down, take time and learn. But these people they say, no, me I reach you. I be super. Because of the fake friends you people are listening to. If your friend come to you, tell you say super this song be bad or post am, man. If you post am, only you go listen. If you post am, only you and your family people and the people where you go send give them. You go send give them. Don't come and call me sell out in my comments. If you don't like what I'm talking about, clear off. Clear off. As you say, then can't they watch? Can't watch. Come and spread the word. Take me go BBC. BMC. We don't know anything. We want on they teach you. When me I get time where I they learn. People they say you reach. Who do a beer? You don't reach anywhere. Your fake friends where you people they listen to, no, that be why. If they listen to this your fake friend, your friend will tell you, say, super, this song is bad. Why you know they post? Oh no, why they the way why they do that thing, it be like, no, maybe you don't want to make we see these foolish guys to you say at the envy at the self. What are the self get we are going here? What are the self get we are going here? We're all living like brothers. Until blade them are contagious sickness, no things and those stone them and boom them are contagious sickness. No, you can't catch you people. You people start to think some way. This wasn't how it was. It was supposed to be so sweet, but you people spoil the thing. Mami Trebi. Trebi did it. Drink Storm Energy if you want Shatter Movement Energy song, and if you want call me, I beg you. Use Infinite. I can't share the phones. Baku 30. And I know say with the fakest two way they will come the comments. Oh please, I want one. Please, I want one. Go by. Go by. Ambassadorial deals and things. Oh, this one don't they get it. They pay you people. Then you go get it. Go say, Kwashia Blade. If you know being Kolan Sema, your mother will come. They talk say, if Wale buy car, make it buy some for you because we be brothers. You don't be any brothers. Brothers don't live like that. Brothers don't live like that. I mean the time at the start, people can tell we say make we do militants. Nobody can tell me anything. At the envy your father and your mother. You think at the envy of babysitting things where people they do for America. One day we go make them, we with the talk. Give my chain. Give my chain, thank you. I don't need to wait for you people to know that. No, I just make the go watch give me. I don't even need to wait for you people to think say man a big man. No, go by. You think say it be what? This one will be vanity. This one door, you know they see one door in neck. Ice. You know they do to impress anybody. If they do I play Kimberly for you, make you see the way you did, eh? Okay. Okay. Basa. And one door to get patience. Hey, one door you get patience. So one line we go video 1 hour. My car inside neat. I don't be dirty boy like those people. Dirty boys. One line we go the top then the feeling of the music self go come out. And I hear you just say, Christ. Do music. Do music. I be say one don't know they make you people they post music. Do the music as they post them. Where it is. Where it is. Then you go make those Twitter people with 4 followers, they tweet, they put you for chat. Then you think say you did chat. He won't make you just it scam you. It scam you. It won't make you repost. So say, you know, people go follow her. Then go do some fucking chat, then put you #1. Pasha. Hey, one day I you there. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. One day Taju come tell you I deserve the truth. See Charlie militant, you be like, what's up? Make we put energy for inside. Then you ball. We did you play music for 1 or 2 years. They could tell you say, oh no, yeah. You be like, yeah, you know, nice. You they tell Ewuku, the consumer of the music, that is why you go talk. This is your petri life. You be in land where you did to me. Whatever you go do, y'all are faking. You'll be acting like everything is cool, but they're faking. They're faking. They're faking. Life goes on. Be everyday love. I wonder, God bless you. God give you the heart. Anything you touch, it turn into gold. Wonder, I love you. Wonder what you do for us. No family member or no friend has done it for us before. So why should I go and trust some other people outside? While the real love is here with you. One done, one son. I may say this, and I may stand on it and sit on it. I will forever make you proud. And all these fans, all these fans who are expecting me to be big. Yes, I will be big. But it's just time. It's just time. I'm learning. I want to make you proud. You they see your body superstar. Like how you they see your body superstar in front of the galaxy? Shatta Wale is not a star, it's galaxy. It's the universe. The universe. You small star. You want show you small star, you want show the universe level. Wow. I go see and pretend. I be people fool. So you don't know somebody who know they support what you they do, but the person they see say you fool. But he might make hot, so you just say fuck off. Fuck off. You people don't go people one down. Tolebe. Fan fool. No mercy on it. On you. Fan fool. You will come then. If something happen or then if people go there, people will they fight Wale, then if people go try to talk to the person. Charlie, Taju, you come here, I know say you go tempt me. But you know the way we there. If it's the truth at the talk, I learn from people like you too. When this guy who say drone here, Ubwa. You say Kelewele they give John this. Ubwa. You say Papa here no good. Ubwa. When this guy will be better be. I feel pity for you people. I feel pity for you people. Wow. I scam them, I fanfool them, I everything them. Me they fear me. They fear me. They see me I be too gangster. Wallah, I be too gangster for them kind of thing. Me street boy like me. Me the time I dey street, where you dey? You know say you go do Rasta. The time I dey street, you they go school. The thing they pay me pound because the way what did they do give one door, you know good. I swear, the way they do one door, you know good. The smoke self the entire my eye. I said, wow. Oh, in my car. Scar of your scar bank on your. Allah. Before I play this song, Wale, you be like you see the future when you talk this. This is Psalm 121. I want you to listen to the words. Today I talk, yes, I will talk. Yes, it's true. Pop Skinny said they take online tickets, give and fake. One day they will catch you.
I just want to tell my friends, I love them all. And the places where they pass,
I love them all.
Especially my fans.
I love every
road I've been to. I love every man who helped me up to this level. Remember, we can't forget the boys.
Storm to if you take mix on the go about.
Shatta Wale.
Shatta. Whoa!
How we start this? How we them all watch and practice? From when them never know this, I made them all call and ask me.
How them a fight me? Them point fingers at me.
When they see me rising, see them can't stop me.
I made them all call leader. No for them don't know why me love me man. Cause them just a show me love. From me T to me T, I'm a straight Gina. Some boy them a Rosina. Same one take Shatta Wale freedom. How you lying? Me say, nah go nowhere. People say the sun will spite me by day. Nah go nowhere. People say
the sun will spite me by day. Because we the greater prison. And me tell you say, no.
Yamala selele. Final warning. Addy, joint, Natalie. Make you people stop they do like say you the hashtag SM or whatever. Then you people go they beg Kevin Boy, that stupid boy, that small boy, Kevin Boy of yesterday for collaboration. Then Kevin Boy will come talk say, now even the militants have they beg me for. Hey, Kevin boy, next time be precise. I ever call you before. You know me for somewhere. Me bowasum. I will slap you. I will slap you. Don't come and say them. Be precise. Say at the safe and this one and John 77 and Natalie. Then call me. Those people. Me I be solo tanto. One done, one son. Then people will go they beg that stupid boy for collaboration because he say now and then there. So they go beg him for. If he take get you people, no. He say because he work hard, no. That's why you people they beg him. Me I know they inside. I don't see him safe. I don't hear his song self before. Just because of the stupid thing where if you go radio, they talk say, nobody they play correct dance or song. See this rat with wig. Rat where you go wear wig. You come they stand there. You two, you know be loyal. You sell out Stone Boy. How can you do that? Small boy like you. What's so trop? What's so trop? What's so trop? We SM slap nation. Wallah, we will slap you. With this unnecessary thing you are doing, if you go on radio, one day you go do the radio then or I will come out for your back. You go see what I go do you for there. Then we go see, we go end up for there. Me, I go feed them, make they lock me 3 days, 1 week. I go come out, link, there, one phone call. What I do? Oh, only slapper, we are beat and we are boot am. He had small and no swear. Maybe that. We will go. Then these bloggers to go there. Kojo Sheldon, Baby Sheldon. Kojo Sheldon, this shell is done. I bombed the shell. Why? The shell, no, I bomb them. Be careful. If you know say you not go to promote positive things or something, why are you even on our page? You're a hater. Why are you on my page? Why? So that you come and get negative vibes. Take the negative vibes and go. I don't care. Call me sellout. Call me your mother. Call me your father. Call me your sister. I know they care. But me, if I meet you face to face, I see say like you, this Kevin boy, you go to talk, say nobody they play dancehall music. Do you know what be dancehall? You when you come, I say I know be church you they sing Danasi. Who that was? Stupid boy. It go sweet you if I catch you. I go slap you, your dick go stand up. Me bowasum ukoti be sorry. What? Me bowasum ukoti be sorry. Buranka ya dash. You know magama mu ya ran ko. We no be small boys with this. You ever see Lebanese gangster? They speak Twi, they speak Ga, they speak Hausa, they speak Arabic, they speak. You see some before me with that. Maybe that. Spiritual. Ando, I love you. Oh, the slap self, no, it go be hot. One day it go be hot. I go make it kneel down. You know what be done. So next time don't mention Shatawali or this thing. You sell out finish, day your lane. You sell out finish at day your lane. They give you sanction letter, day your lane. They give you the sanction letter, day your lane. Day your lane, okay? With this stupidity way people are doing, don't come and contaminate us. If you people get any negative vibe, why you not talk those times? And those people who come and be calling me sellout, you be calling me sellout. Why? The time me and then they do their music, no, you they promote her like this. But because you like stupid things, if this one come now, then you they promote her. This one I know be beef me. They don't know if he beef me. They not go fit beef me. If he come, if they like, make the drop, I go drop. Make the drop, I go drop. Only me and them. They no go fit. They no go fit. They no go because me what I learn, they no learn even a decimal point. Bro, for no point a decimal, no point full stop with them and kwasejina. Full stop. Munim shit. You go fit stand my front and say, you know music pass. You don't know music pass me. You know fine pass me. You know they enjoy pass me. Or what you want show me? Say you get small, so you they do what? Or because one day while they make you they sing about money. Yes, because he had good intentions for you. He wanted the world to see you like a sensible person. But why we are see we will say Jimmy. Oh, these my people. Hey, Jimmy last. Go tell them. Always, I be they watch. Tell Blade. I be ask Blade come America. I don't get money, make it go rent. So if you're there, you come they stay. America, they give warning. If you people be more than 3 or 4, plus this your babies, they go deport you. I just lucky Corona day. They don't want to make you go and infect the people with this your stupid negative life. They go deport you, babysitters every day. If you, as they sack blade and bones them, you see say they no fit take nice picture again. As you do SM, come and work, they take picture. Say my name is Flossie with your stomach like airbag or title belt. Your stomach like title belt, WWE. Then you go they take picture. You won't find pass your boss. You will tell your boss, say you get swag. You get swag. Oh, come and let's work. You go they take picture. Oh, these people, you don't see them every day. They take picture. Every day they do. Me, I know how many pictures you see me and Wale get. Why? Because I'm not here to prove to somebody say me and Wando. Yeah, so every day I go take picture or snap plaza. Now, man, I want us to work. So say this our empire will grow big. So say this our empire. Then people will come and they take picture. If you go this stage, then they do Snapchat. Hey, you not be serious guy. When you take this nonsense thing, go they travel. Ombe pamo. They go sack you. You did they go work. Corona will catch you. Corona, it will catch you. This one is just part 1. I will come again. The part 2 no. You people sometimes I don't want to come the flex you people like say they flex or something. Because you know they make sense. I don't do like these people. They go come post pictures say make Toyota people can sponsor you. Toyota people they know you. They know your father. They know you. They don't know you. If you then you make you people continue all the things where people they talk are they here. Make you continue to talk to this person. Make this person call Wale, tell Wale shit about me. Don't worry, you see the shit, no. We have spoken about it already. We are already dirty. Me, I'm dirty. Don't watch if my shadow clean or something. No, me, I be dirty guy. Very, very, very dirty guy. When I want to be dirty, I'm dirty. You get me? Make a slang. You get me? Because as I speak the pitch, you people they see Anna in Tibrofu. But Tibrofu rough. I go school. I no drop out. Actually, I drop out. I slap my house master, but I continue. Me a gang go. Me a gang. This one will be part 1. I will come again, but make me enjoy some music, you know. Make you know what we did, okay? Make you know what we get. Make you know what we get. Yeah.
From me see a switch that a weak man thing. Smiling to the bank that a big man thing. Party tonight we a watch man thing. Me and me cool in a them thing. When them see we pan a show them a more yeah. Me give them a 2, 3 them a 4 yeah. Me make the girl them scream out oh yeah. Captain you bad me still one more yeah. Coffee a man still got the money oh. Coffee boats no they worry oh. Salty PPG. We there for the street we know they roll easy. Hey, for me see a snitch that a weak man thing. Smiling to the bank that a big man thing. Party tonight we a watch man thing. Me and me cool in a them thing. When them say we pan a show them a more yeah. Me make the girl 2, 3 them a whoa. Me make the girl them scream out oh yeah. Captain you bad me still one more yeah. You see them on a shock when me pull up in a Benz. Show them on a eagle, all of them a ball a bet. Every street nigga you know still a give me respect. Bad mind them can break my defense. If I feed them money them know we they there. Like a me a come boy repent. Negativity them no say we not go there. All of them a stammer when them see me reflexes. Me and the pretty girl a flex and bounce. Dirty livity we a X them out. And the faker we a run them out. Me na federal. We are chatting mode. From you see a snitch that a weak man thing. From you see a snitch that a weak man thing. Snitch, weak man. You can't call me a snitch. No man. You can't call me a snitch. Cause you not see no stitches for me. Snitches get stitches. You not see no stitches for me. I'm too bad. See me tats them. Fresh. My color fresh. My color say every people they envy them. So people they pray to God make the sun make hot. So say when you're but I'm found sometimes a man has to be fearful and ugly. Don't watch me fresh like this. My inside be ugly. I say ugly. Ugly. I talk my mind. Me not care. Me not care. Respect to everybody who's watching. What you want? The fucking people, what you want, you get. I will come again. I will come again. This one is just part 1, season 1. It did like Empire, a movie. It's a movie. It's a movie.
As I'm moving. Oh God, thank you for watching. I did. At the party, I just did. I'll go buy another bottle, get some Storm, get some Malomo, get some, Infinix. Talk shit about me, I don't care. But if I come and post here, I share Infinix, you'll be the first person who will come. You'll be the first person who will come message me say, Super, the Infinix, I want some. Go tell your Super, make it buy give you. Go tell your Super. Go tell them. I say, me, as one don't be ambassador for Storm and Infinix and Bed Planet. Me too, I be ambassador son. If my father house be my house. Sure, if you come the house there, if you put it feel too big to even take this bottle and put it in the bowler. Because if people they see your body star. But if Captain do it, if people they see I'm John. You don't know. If they see me John, you are looking at a mirror. Okay, it's your reflection. You they see me John because I they see you like fool. I don't even need to show you my real side. You are very stupid. Thank you for watching, okay? I will enjoy. I'll come back again. Comment. I'll come back again. Let me read some of the comments before I go. Sunny Adams, come on for there. You people can't watch. They do some styles. You people, they sell out Wally. All the shitty people they talk, you think say we don't know. Yes, thank you. Who be this? Somebody to say what? I get Venza. I get when you saw me. Okay? I get when you saw me. Kegbini. Oh no. Forget about everybody. Yeah, boss. Oh, let's see if I love you too, okay? Adamu, what's up? Tell them, then sell out. Fushket. You say if I get your matter, but I don't want to talk. Because you know. Don't go and be talking to these fucking people. Somebody sell out, then people will go to talk plus shake your head well. We did okay? We enjoy. From here I will go studio again, go record. Tomorrow I'll go back again. Then we are moving forward. Thank you for watching. And I'll take this opportunity again to thank Shatta Wale for everything he has done for me. For him having this heart and patience to make me who I am today. Shatta, I love you. Okay? I love you. I'll forever be loyal. I will forever be loyal. We are men, we might have misunderstandings sometimes and things, but I will take responsibilities for every wrong I do. Every wrong I do you, I'm sorry. Some time ago, those fucking people today, they play with my mind. Say, Captain, go do song. Say this. Because you're the envy man. You came to lie to me, say, you go sign me. As you sign me, what we do? Nothing we do. Your car self push with a push. Then give us money, me we go get some nice place. So you take the money, go chop the money. My MTN caller tunes, oh, you they get the money. I don't give a fuck. That one is just chicken change. Yes, Blade, I'm talking to you. You think they have a kiddie you, they see me jump. I love you. Me, if I do you wrong, I'm sorry. If I will ever do you wrong, which I know it will never happen, but human being be human being. If I do you wrong, I beg you correct me. I will be there for you. It's blood for life. It's blood for life. Bianca, we there. Don't be anything, I will come again. We go vibe, okay? We'll go vibe.